the many pebia. Nadia Nika Omuponi said, no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday beyond so your Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
This is GN Radio UK.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Mininamu obra edimi edru etri anope mi ma good morning mi pacho ohun etise yeda onyankopon na se ayena adom ne pe eneda so wode yenkwa ache yembiem ai yeka atiasefo ho emoja edi minu mienu afusane erade adom arakwa said you winning no ebnada biara yeba wa kwan so yene Fortwell Solicitors betwetwe nkomo efa immigration insensem eho ne atiate se niema esese ye hye ne nso ne esese ye hu ni nyina mu no ebnada duru a yeba wa kwan so eba besomwo lawyers agibre de esi wo se omobeba eni ya baba be di dwumedi se de be ya yeni ebeda ho se de yenyina yete yen ho kasa no yetimi aboa yen ho ne abrabo afa ne ntoma pa so efra enu ti no enede so ya ba wa kwan so hwe wo bre na 6 minutes past 10 na ye wa ha kosi 11 mitire du ba ko na ya sorry dwumedi eso enti ene ye baba bebie oni na ye ne wo edi enkomo pepa chowa se dwumedi upese wutie wotie wo radio so ukọ in radio abetimi atie nka every ho sa so na abetimi atie free radio garden afa ye streaming live wo Facebook and ye streaming live so wo YouTube abetimi a join ye betimi ahwe wo TV so na eno so wani akeka ho fefefe wo sa kwan ne so eno nti bomodin a tonsafre onu afre wadan fo ka kire ne se legal hour dwumedie na edru so sabre ye baba besua de ni abekire ye ho na ye ni atimi adeda ho wo sa kwan ne so me show say dwumedi ebrema ye ho kwan e ma ye bie phone lines ne tumu eno nti ebre semu no ye bie phone lines na tumba for now no yɛne ɛyɛ lawyer bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ na nsɛm bi a piepie yɛnim no yɛne na didi ho nkɔmmɔ ama na biebie nneɛma ni so akyerɛ yɛn sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbrɛ so sɛ woba mu a wo so watumi ahu question a wobɛtumi abisa deɛ yɛba bɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ no ɛbrɛ so a yɛbɛbie lines na atoma mu abusa ɛho nkɔmmɔ na sɛ woaso so wɔ question bi na yɛ quick one sɛdeɛ daa meka no a ɛno so ɛbrɛ ma yɛ ho kwan ma wo so wotumi de ba dwumadie so ebisa lawyer ɛma lawyer akyirikyiri mu de ɛma wo ɛnɛ me ne ɛyɛ lawyer PK ɛna ɛba bɛdi ɛyɛ dwuma yi baabi a lawyer Daniel wɔ bia nkyia kɛseɛ nkɔma wo ne yɛba ba bɛdi nkɔmmɔ a yɛtate ɛyɛ Appendix FM yɛka sɛ Appendix FM koraa ɛyɛ dɛ a lawyer wɔ ha deɛ ɔne yɛbɛdi ɛho nkɔmmɔ na afei yɛbisa sɛ obi yɛ okunu so ɔyɛ ɔyere so ɔyɛ mpena so ɔyɛ ɔba so ɔyɛ akwalaa yɛwɔ exceptional circumstances bi wɔ hɔnom a ɛbɛtumi sɛ ɔmo yɛ application under Appendix FM ebetimi yɛ ɔmo afiri mu ana na lawyer wa ha wɔne yɛ be go through no wakyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma ani so na watututu yɛn ho fo na wahuma yɛhu ne etue mu nyinaa nti no waba gye akonya yɛ TV ne sip ne kakrakra na lawyer emiebie nneɛma ani so ɛma yɛ ba wo ba so na wo hwɛ yɛ Facebook amesrɛ wa like na ɛhyɛ ɛma wo nua so ntimi bi ebia na ɛnɛ deɛ no ɛnkɔ ma ba bɛkɔ ama wo nua nti wo like na wo hyɛ a ɛbɛboa pa nyame nhyira yɛ nyina sabre deɛ mama ɛyɛ lawyer akɔ aba midin mama len me na me di dwumadie ho kyia me aha ɛyɛ GN Radio UK mamema ɛyɛ lawyer Patrick Akwaba na sɛdeɛ lawyer yɛntante ne nka ebi nim no nti no mema na Akwaba mema lawyer atimi abonidin introduce ne ho kakra ama dodoɔ na wɔn nim lawyer Patrick so ehu nipa a ɔyɛ lawyer Patrick lawyer good morning.
Good morning, Mama Lane.
Mpacho ho yɛ deɛ.
I say share you.
Ah, share pa. We look smart as always. Akwaba biem. Yo. Ene deɛ wodi ebetu fa. Na ansa na wodi ebetu no me pacho a. Hyietiefoɔ na ma dodoɔ na wɔn nim no so wɔn hu nipa lawyer PK
Midase, Mama Lane.
Yo, Miss Midas.
And then I don't pay senior Mama Lane. I introducing the FFNO. A Fortwell Solicitors legal hour. Senior Munim, no normally a lawyer done. And with the Jumadi and so no. When your emergency didn't know, my seen a name. Midin at the Patrick Opoku and do not frame lawyer PK. Me a more Fortwell Solicitors. Fortwell Solicitors, law firm, you UK bontin. So I am. Ya 2 years, who see or say, you see a boa. Omo right dia akɔhye baby immigration law mu family law employment law civil litigation and I was probate no Fortwell Solicitors ya 2 years ho si wo say ye beboa na ya gye saa right na saa ema nkɔfo no ni say nti no every Tuesdays bia GN Radio ye ba na ye be kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu na ye domu esuko na ye ma wo hu nia ekoso so that bia na wunim say sa right na idiwo sa de na wo pese wunya no na nka idiwo so you are not aware of it the same thing every Tuesday bia GN Radio no Fortwell Solicitors ye ba na ya bedi nkomo na ya kyerɛkyerɛ eniema ekoso. And obviously, a net topic here, a very crucial topic. Eman kofobi bre. If you say kofobi bre, or omo kwan say omo kofa omo kununum, omo planum, omo ma. Anase omo emma wo krum hanim say omo emplanum wo krum hanim say e wasn't komutimi etna krum based on san kofo no ntimi entna ha because requirements be your honor was almost satisfied satisfied and then you be tudwa ama atiefo ne ahwefo nyina to say amongst other requirements I was here satisfied now there are some exceptions that is nyema bi your honor you betimi di esi nchen nanka under normal circumstances no and can wasanka ye de service animal and as ye decide live to remain amount. And so because of falling into this particular circumstance now, UK are buying ADSC who said this is exceptional to the normal rule into now the amount. That is why this particular topic here is very crucial. In case say topic here found one, no problem. Share video in the format will be a beer will be person or kofani kunuba. ebi obi pese okofa ne baby ba ana ebi a owo baby okrum anum say ya opese ugina ne so de application or one plan bi okrum opese ugina ne so de application or regularizing no danso no okoba bia na ye say requirement ni nie I was so satisfied unsatisfied they are ko actually kwaba and then no ene entena say share video ni mo bi na onu nso hu say amongst all other requirements there might be some exceptional circumstances bi or a bit me aboawo na wonso no watimi enya asetena ewo promo enti no mama le introduction no ewa pa na nso no I know
it's acceptable to the watch them we sanity oh yes and that's a baby am na yet be atiase order for lawyer picking na yet and no watch them na dia my enti no ehun be hia say obeto nsafre onua fra wadam for na onso etimi eti adwumedie san say bia na enye wo na this topic kwa ama wo bate bia unua bi a opeso kofa ne kunu ne ba ne yure na say bia adofo bi ede ne ba UK ha say and no sabrede lawyer mame entuma say Appendix FM no fa yewura mu kakra dey ya na exceptional ne de okeka kan nyina no misre wa akire mu kakra
me that's bio Appendix FM if memory serves me right I think say it was back in 2012 home office revamp immigration rules and the appendix nearby that is family migration that is opese okofa ukunu oyere oba edineba streamline rules no edit by appendix nemo de certain specific requirements by say no matter what no you have to satisfy these requirements and sana ubiti those family members no ayden abakru man say no ninchire muna ne say a family migration that is a yere ne eba ene ikunu ene empana a omo krum ha a opese ode omo yeden ode omo ebe onchen as a sponsor and that is what family migration is inti senior medical achire mu no ye be kone nkakra ne achire mu mako na bia ayeden atiase family migration you know send him diga kan no a spouse and a partner and I say ode abofra the eba kroma and that topic no ye mechire ekwan a wode ukunu ana oyere ana oba ebeba mo satisfy the Appendix FM no danso no for the purposes of the record any if you be a OTA and net for the first time only say be krana na there is a possibility say make me the mikunu bi ana me yere ana me mpena bi ana me baby mpo aba I'm satisfy the requirements me the general requirements so quickly me rush it through it so that people will know then we will go to the exceptional circumstance maybe I'll be find yourself in a still no ubitimi aye application yaba inti ye ka say Appendix FM obidi ko fan ni kunu ana ne yere edina ba there are requirements be or strict requirements I will satisfy I will say ultimately satisfy say oni akuna wo si oye ukunu ana wo si oye oyere no wa ware no
okay
at least when hu nida
right
wo na wo kofa oni ana abano who enough accommodation to accommodate that individual now then as ukunu anase oyere no maintenance ubetimi a maintaining asa a maintaining oniakono English test e was say oniakona all bano utimi actual English test be the basic English test A1 English test to show say oba ubetimi akambrofo kakra e wo yekrum hanum say ebiom nso no e was so ye tuberculosis test say nebo a claim of no infection na watimi abakroma then bako very very crucial meaning say nkofo bebre twensa nka meka no a financial requirement so financial requirement no emu orem if say otochema even 1p krana a very crucial for you to jump that hurdle financial requirement no omotwa ebo bi ato ho say upese ukofa ukunu ana oyire ede ne backroom hanum say ya e was say at least no wo na wo krum say no wo any not less than 18,600 in the preceding year, Wokofa sa obema ana obana edina abakrum han say. Sa financial requirements na enye se wubo din keke. There are specific evidence that was say would the actually say ampa me satisfy that financial requirement. No, it been say I was say would me chire pay slip at least 6 months. Why yes I jumano. So when was a jumana I was say would call another 1 year to show say why year that 18,600. I was so with letter from your employer for bank statement. This can you have to show all this. In command me and in some year came in a very, very, very strict. Untimi any be enfim. Even who pay slip necrano say a 6 months. Now would jaba kutuma a cause for refusal. That is how serious Appendix FM when it comes to using it to make an application. It is very, very, very crucial. If you say it is very strict, that is how they've structured that particular Appendix FM now. And you know, who satisfy all these requirements are with me akofa uyirin ana on genuine relationship opese obetna uncheno ubetimi akwakofa sa oniakono ayeden aba yaba enkola mu nso a ubetimi akofa obabia oye below 18 years munene wo that relationship say was so responsibility of sa abofrano a very crucial word people need to understand. You have to have sole responsibility of sa abofrano. The saying, you know, in inchire munne chere say uye oba na oba ewo amanone na opese ukofa ne eba enye se because uwo won krata ntino ubetimi akofa oni akona ayeden aba. That is not what it is. Okay. Kai hu say enye wo pe na wo abofrano obema wo ho se wo yo ba nso a oba ewo honum ono nso ewo abofrano e wo se utimi kire se eye wo na wo hwa abofrano wo na wo abofrano life na abofrano ehia wo ni say ntino wo de abofrano eyeden eba krom hanum say that's so responsibility na a very crucial requirement that you need to satisfy. Accommodation, maintenance, sending me can also utimi kire se abofrano wo na wo hwe no at least udisika ekomano u maintainino oba promo say ya obenya baby ada most especially abofrano onye above 18. These are all general requirements and I say important requirements e was say obi biara why na din say opese okofa ni kunu ne yere ana ne baby ediba krum hanim say no. These are the general requirements you need to satisfy. So once satisfied these requirements probability say you will refuse application, you know, very, very, very high. If you say Appendix FM it is a lawyer ho na opese or your application mawa obedi kan busa o say obano wedi 18 years and immediately abeka say abofana di 18 years now. Na say waka say apahun. Okay. Inti requirements are mabubosu nyina no very strict. I was say oh yeah then o satisfied. Okay. However, a topic ya ye di esi ho no ye hu say wukọ immigration rules ni mu dom esuko a enyo bia na obitimi satisfy these requirements ya medical abuboso no. The individual personal circumstance and I say family circumstance no will not allow some individual no to satisfy that requirement. Are we saying say because of that intino ontimi nkofa ne kunu ne yere ana ne baby emma ana enya possible the say intino akwesi broni the exceptional circumstance be atoho if you fall within that exceptional circumstance now okay it means say the probability and I said the possibility say we will menya visa without satisfying all the other requirements and can satisfy me, you are able to do that. Okay. And none me pese ye twen adwen koso pa na ye hu say there are possibilities amongst the general ones na ye nim say was say we den we satisfy answer na why then wetimi aba krom hanum say
Okay.
exceptional circumstance no near medical akane says if you satisfy one or two or three of the exceptional circumstance now it doesn't exempt you from the others.
Right.
Okay. Me bo any exceptional circumstance via war it doesn't mean say because of say one or two or three of the exceptional circumstance now my boss no all other requirements you are exempt there be. You have to satisfy other requirements, but the crucial ones, you know, meboboso and no, and as a when to me and satisfy immigration rules, you know, and as a emrano extra say you need to be exempted from satisfying that requirement, you know. The reason why in TIA some exceptional circumstance, you know, a very crucial. I was say Home Office and I say UK abine utimi share na utimi exempted from it, you know, and it said first of all it is going to breach your human rights.
Okay.
The fact is that if it becomes a rigid requirement, it be breaching your human rights. That is your family and private life. You know? The UK, and I say UK abine, who quine say, and I say, a shell say, I was say, or ma that exception, you know, amount. If you who now who sponsor only a kono amanabano, who partner now who sponsor no edinabano, abofra now or yet involved, you know, say. Without the exception and without the exemption of the general rule, no, it may affect some crofone so human right. The exceptional circumstance, no, it starts to kick in.
Okay.
It starts to kick in from that point. Until the starting point, and he said, answer Rebecca said, Ubi needs to have that exception from the general rule. Say, for example, ABR, it was a utimichiro English test.
Right.
And I say, it was a or satisfy financial requirements. But the specific circumstance now, sponsor the woman, and I say, partner the woman, and I say, abofrani woman, only means satisfy. Name omuno say, UK abine, man, quine. And satisfy that requirements now. A bit breaching the family or private life, i.e., the human rights. UK abide a breaching that convention, you know. Therefore, their hands will be tied. Say, it was said umutimi a granted that particular leave to remain. And I say, visa no, I'm aware then what back Chrome Hanum say. In every application, there are two main things that was said individual no, applicant no, or satisfied.
Okay.
Two of them no, be suitability and eligibility criteria.
Okay.
Suitability no, the battery kasema or who quine. And I'm a woman lane.
No.
Yes. Or who quine say it was said a particular type of application and that is the first requirement I was satisfied. That is, for example, say use ubeware uknu and ware oyere and I say ujina baso edi aye application. First of all, I was say you are a person of good character.
Okay.
You are a person of good character. You the individual no. I was say you are a person of good character because the immigration rules, no, public interest, no, any public criteria are very, very crucial. And Intina will be able to me qualify for every type of application, but because of the character, you know, you say or a threat to the public, Intina, a particular type of visa, and I say a particular leave to remain, then Emma. Until I was say a shelling to say the starting point, you need to satisfy the suitability, that is whole character. A biomonsun in the suitability, the reason why yes application, you have to satisfy it. Say for example, upese uknu and as ukofa uknu eba krumanum sana oyere eba krumanum say ya. You need to say me pese me kofa miknu eyeden eba na mpeniampa no miknu no menina ewo genuine relationship say miknu.
Okay. And yes some jai
and I say enye no kware enye
sham bi ana bibisa.
You need to satisfy these basic requirements. Say the reason why I will cover assume see aba krom ha say okay. That is the reason why I'm cover naba. And I say oye me ba onye obi ba e na makotwa birth certificate bi atoso onye obi a owo ne ba bi e na makoye sham marriage bi e na pesa me de ne ba. The reason why I'm pesa me de ne ba ne say ampanyampa no oye mi kunu ampanyampa no oye me yere. Which means satisfy this requirement, which is a must. You need to satisfy. That is your suitability, your character, and the reason why I'm here. Who didn't say criteria and actually I make it application now. Who you're okay from that start point now. Right. There is also an eligibility criteria. And English test no ebebem. And a relationship no ebebem. And a maintenance ne accommodation ebebem. Na ebi kra na English test financial requirements ebebem. No na UK aban essay. Although won't satisfy some of these requirements, there are some of them you have to satisfy it. Say for example, ukofa ukunu ana oyere oba abakrom hanum say eye den a wo se onyakono oye oyere oye ukunu oye oba. End of. E wo se onyakono ubetimi accommodate sa onyakono.
Okay.
I was say onyakono you can maintain that individual without having recourse to public funds. Then momuno say papa no ana maame na wode na eba no ontimi enka English language. Ana say abofra na wugina ne so edi ameki application wo krom hanum say no. Who maame no won take brofo. Na it will be a detriment and I say a bit breachy sa abofra no human rights na medi kan initially na. Then the Home Office will have to have that exceptional circumstance to allow you to make that application. Ebiom obi ohonomo amongst other requirements in the it's not because there is an exceptional circumstance you are exempt from everything. Obi oha opeso kofani kunuba was satisfy relationship, was satisfy maintenance, was satisfy accommodation. Ni kunu no watimi atrobrofo. Na emomu no maame na papa na okofa abofra no okofa ni kunu ana ne yere aba no. Ejuma na oye no do 18,600. And the reason na do 18,600 might even be because of say or abofra bi wo honoma abofra does not allow him or her to do more hours.
Right. Okay.
At that point, it kicks in, say, are we being unreasonable to expect some individual to satisfy that 18,600? Only satisfied without any fault of that individual. But it is because of the exceptional circumstance. Because a beer, Manuda Chumemuna make a beer or disabled child be. And they said, only me any full time. Meanwhile, son abofra no e papa, and na owofie, and na ye kwa kofana dinner aba. Fana ye kofana dinner bano, or baba boa sama, mene kwa maneti me ayeden, I have a friend ye. Apana eba be juma. Therefore, that circumstance now, that sponsor na finding themselves in. It is exceptional to the general rule say who only akunwe no was set or satisfy financial requirements. Okay. And our lawyers bebem. Honey a bit me catch say in commodia only the financial circumstance financial requirement unsatisfied because of this circumstance that you find yourself. Yeah. We think say a exceptional enough. Therefore, for evidence be a brain. That's all. For evidence be I say who or this exceptional circumstance a brain. Nemo muno would the brain would the near be a becca make who kakra at remo. At that time, if you think say you fall into that category now, consultation room, you know about them, everyone come up. Obi ohono typically niyere anani kunu epese okofa ne ba. Akola ewom ebia abofra na disable na se omodoso. Okay. The say ntino maame ne entini enye den enye adwuma and satisfy sa financial requirements. And ebi grow was satisfying a brebida. But because of say nkola ne ba mu bebre ntino untimi satisfied. Asama ye dem ntimi busa we say ukunu na oba no anase oyire na oba no anye bia oba krom hanim say ya obetimi ye specific adwuma bia ebetimi satisfy that financial requirement, because what we need to understand is that Pawagana and our Manonia Sikade Omunyano Kromha by Omundintu. Okay. Name so Kroman say not or any money bia omubede omubediatu. Therefore, no, say if you're able to prove, this is only one example, there are other ones, but obviously no, here in Canada if it is so. If you're able to prove, say, who a credible prospect of unemployment, na se uba kromu hanu say ya, yemfa say example, uye teacher ni, anase uye doctor. Uba kromu hanu say ya, within a specific period of time, no, it possible say ubetimi adye sa adwuma na uye no, yenim say obi eye doctor ewo kromu a, eye danyana ubetimi any more than 18,600. Yeah. Now a credible prospect of unemployment. Your specific circumstance, Nana said, uknuno ana oyireno specific circumstance, no, it becomes exceptional. If you say, first of all, no, I am a friend T and I want me enko ejuma. Yeah. Be a disabled child, you say, you know, or no pet me enko ejuma. And so papa na oba na mama na oba no ono kro eba be boa wo ama wahwe saa abofra no ama no watimi akọ adwuma anase ono kro anso ayeden etimi akọ adwuma. Why say UK aban ebeka say, oh, they been very, very strict on you, say you need to satisfy the financial requirements and say na omo be boa ama wayeden watimi abakro hanum say. There are lots of them, but a program if you want more of some of the sections a bit to me ama won't satisfy the financial requirements now. The program now will be file office number. Bra consultation for free. You be din komo say idea o satisfy nko ade a say ni no. You be kire mo ama matimi akoye den akofa nkola no emma eyere ekunu no ama oma eden omaba. With all this, you know, it boils down to a phrase via a friend of primary consideration of the child. Okay. Primary consideration of a child. In Tiamfani said, akola enyimu a normally no eya eden. I have to say this for now. Akola enyimu a eya eden. I say akola enyimu person say omu ni ba. Yes. Okay. Yes, akola enima eya eden. It will only be easier. Say who sponsor no. Your circumstance is so grave. Say wuntimi enye den enko back to baby a ufi ba no and son a home office ebe allow. But normally no with experience and say in kola they tend to, and it's because of the best interest of the child, because UK abontains and UK buying when it comes to incola, they take into consideration very, very much. And that would jump us into say Ujina Obaso, a spouse, certain requirement. I will say, will satisfy, and sana, what me, I then, how you see, Ojere, and I say, Ukunu, Eddie Abakrum, and say, I won't satisfy some of the requirements now, Ubetimi, a exceptional circumstance, Eddie, I then, Abba. But now, on a abofra. So, who abofra, ewu krumha, na abofra no, ya wunu krumha no, we di 7 years. Na upese ujina ne so, Eddie ye. First of all, no, you don't need to satisfy any financial requirements.
Okay, no need.
You don't need to satisfy any financial requirements. So even say who kwakofa o bampo efi Ghana abana kwakofa o befi amonone aba, there isn't any financial requirement.
Okay.
You are exempt from that. As far as what you might say abofrani below 18.
Okay.
Who also responsibility send me can and I say who kruma say abofrana who no kruma abofrana edi 7 years no ubetimi agina sa abofrana so edi aje unkrata ade kunti ubetimi agina sa abofrana so edi aje unkrata no this exceptional circumstance. Not many people know that.
Okay.
It is because of this exceptional circumstance, ni senti ena wutimi ejisa enkrata. One, the exceptional circumstance wujina so di aje enkrata ni say UK aban efele se abofra no ye wonu okrom ha na wadi 7 years it will be unreasonable to expect sa abofra no to leave the country. Therefore, no say we mame ana we papa e was say omoma okwan na sa abofra private life say them di kan it's going to breach the human rights of whoever papa mame abofra who is involved e was say UK aban den utimi sort him out or say utimi emam nkrata or ma abofra no nkrata na wo mame ana papa na wo ka ho no based on your exceptional circumstance, because of it's going to be unreasonable for that child to leave the UK, having spent 7 years of their life in the UK. Ebasana, wo mameno ana wo papa no, utini enya inkrata based on the fact say your exceptional circumstance has kicked in. Who abofra or 7 years ya wonu okroma say abofra no una we den o hwe. If you want man, you will even be exempted from writing the English test. And can normal circumstance and ka wo ye family migration e was say would ye English test wo papa na ana maame na wo gina abofra so the aye application because of that exception na e wo ho because of abofra you don't need to write English test. Until they say, who be ye application, no be catch will say, I will say, who call ye English tester, and you're not correct.
Okay.
You don't need English test. You are exempted from it. Because at the moment, there are exceptional circumstances. I will say, oh, yeah,
let us say, oh, some I mean, yeah, free because
yes, because of this exception, it is because of abofrano.
Yeah,
abofrano in krata. Therefore, there are certain requirements I wasn't satisfied. At the moment, if you don't even satisfy it, we okay.
Okay.
Maintenance. Obi betimi ejina ho ama wo say ono ena ye dey ohwe may be crashing abofra so obi ene ma accommodation ema wutinemu ema ebi so abofra so Anka enye this exception anka you need to satisfy the maintenance medical boss no. You need to satisfy accommodation medical boss no, amongst other things. So these are all exceptions eho ema uniakono. Memma typical example be na yahwe how this exception de itimi bua obi ewo kurom anum say ema nitimi nya nkrata. Lawyer PK my back room anum say me kita visitors visa na bibi rem me buy and visitors visa na ewu ena mabenya empna akosua British national akosua ewo British town through previous relationship ena abofra no oye disabled we did about 8 years on call nechida or a Sierra Leonean. Okay. You are the head of Ghana and Intino. I mean, call Ghana. You are and call Ghana that within that time or war, the banner or disabled Kojono. Who now walk Roman say no. Mimi lawyer PK no. Meaning grata. Mene akosia enete. Ene yasan wofufro. Okay. Exceptional circumstance now make cannot. This can be a typical example. It's in moment maybe obi o sa circumstance ni mo a mama na who said there is a possibility. Yeah. At the moment, because of say me ba any ama not me step child any akosia ebana or ye disabled no. Yeah. Se me ni nkrata ewo kurom anum say na me pese me gina the fact say me ni akosua ewo relationship as partners na me ni no act with disabled child any ye bana ya wo no na your circumstance become exceptional say you will not be allowed even to go to Ghana back home to make the application. Okay. There are certain requirements and what say my no satisfy and who here say or be satisfy. Unsatisfied 18,600. English test who was satisfied under the normal regime of the family migration Appendix FM. I was satisfied. And who here say was satisfied. Maintenance, accommodation, ABR, now therefore no. You cannot say you can maintain yourself. This is one typical example. It shows exceptional circumstances. An individual can find themselves in omubetimi ayeden ejina so ede aye application. Circumstance no it varies. It varies very very much. That is why yentimi entungumu sa the individual personal circumstance no will be determined when you come and see Fortwell Solicitors. We are making sure say circumstance now no it is so exceptional to the fact say who chroma akrana and what's a wukofie with my application what I'm saying chroma now one obana with 7 years no obetimi ejina no so say who ofie e na wo yere ede anawukunu ede wo ba who here say obe satisfy certain requirement because you fall under exceptional circumstance. Make us as same way the catwalk. Yanko yenimukra no free waiver. It is even an exception to the rule. When Upe said, Uchere said you are in an exceptional circumstance in Tia, and what said we make application with Kruma, and I said we make application for Ghana. That is why so we will Kruma na over 87 years. Oba a British. Who Kruma, the first example now, that family no. So if you come under the exceptional circumstance I may describe here, few waiver cry to me are affected. Who send Jessica cry and find there and some from my home office. These are major exceptions who as an individual no ubenya film under normal circumstances I was say will satisfy all these requirements. I feel you background union film. Emu yamawa 10-year route, but there is a possibility say ubetimi switch into 5-year route. Into Mama Len. And no. What question be able to say?
Yes, you the nina na just nine lawyer PK baby name this so a church and yama be brim. Me did say we upe as soon etie in some na lawyer canon. Now to say the union no more can Facebook no. Bomodia na share to benefit others. Even if say nyawo kra na ebetimi abwa ama obi esuso etimi ede nanamo SCC lawyer akasa bebre lawyer PK akasa bebre say eba ne say ukofa eye ukunu wire obabi ompene bi na wode na ba enema a wo behia we say wo hwe na wunya ansa na watimi aye application no wa kire ni nyina mu ansa na wobeka exceptional circumstances so de no obiebie ene so ani de akire na make I will say went me entie from the beginning video no ebeda eye Facebook ebewo eye YouTube ubetimi akwakobo ahwe na wa pick a lot free mu de ebe benefit no wa pick e a free mu sabre me ba bebie eye phone lines no atomu se wo question bi apese ubisa eye lawyer pika ebrenie a ubetimi afre na wabisa wo question ewo enchirechiremu a wachirechiremu ede amaye efa eye Appendix FM no ho se upese ubisa bibi wanti bibi ase ewo ni nchiremu na ubetimi afre na lawyer achiremu ama wansa na ebre no aso ami asori eye dwumadie so sa so na wo different question bi a ubetimi di aba eye quick one na mesro nya tententen wo mema me number 1 number 2 number 3 da bi yes na esisie abem enu ntino mesro wa say quick question na enu so no ye be ma ho kwan ama wa free lawyer na lawyer eyi anu ama phone lines ni me de tudwa ama free na lawyer any question no o questions anu nyina ema aha GN radio in studio lines no 0203-735-8820 0203-735-8820 and say free mobile no so betimi ama me audio ubetimi send me message and say ubetimi afre so ni nyina no mejibre making kind of message no ama number no mobile no 0778-793-9958 0778-793-9958 say ye be lines na to na so betimi afre 0203-2860185 na ya unsem ni nyina ano edi ama lawyer first question amenya ewa ha o say I have corrected the father's name on my child's birth certificate at the registrar through DNA. Please, what is the solution for correcting the child's surname when renewing the child's passport? Or also, so there will be. So I will say the biological father already has a British passport. And to on the question, okay, they all can say, or say I have corrected the father's name on my child's birth certificate at the registrar through DNA. The opessor who say, what is the solution for correcting a child's surname when renewing the child's passport?
Okay, there are two strands to this question. Obviously, was sending up by
yeah.
a question. Yeah. Say birth certificate. There's a difference between changing the father's name on the birth certificate.
Yeah.
And changing the surname on the birth certificate. Nti everyone say abofrana papa award the original birth certificate in so Patrick Kuku Boateng.
Yeah.
Na the surname the Ejewusua, which obviously surname doesn't necessarily have to be the father's name. That is the first point people need to understand. The surname doesn't necessarily have to be Papa Nidin. Say abofrana Papa Nidin SSA our birth certificate in so through DNA. Sa abofrano papano na so de dano. Benefits via nanka abofrano benya through the previous father no. The new father no takes over.
Okay.
Se basa mo kosisa abofrano dia. The new father na ni din abehye abofrano birth certificate no so no. Ono na the true father. Therefore, no, ono and was say osisa abofrano surname.
Okay.
Osisa abofrano surname, you need to do something we call depot. When you see depot, no at the passport application na mo ye ne ho a. Abofra ni new surname and as abofra ni new name. Let me say the new name now, but the new passport no will show the new name.
Okay, perfect.
So one will proceed.
I mean, well, in Tikra, a lawyer. Yes, I saw Obra who Fortwell Solicitors. Sape Pepe. Lawyer, your time no air copa. Wait, Ossi, good morning, lawyer PK. Good morning, Mama Lane. Ossi, please. We did customary marriage in Ghana about 10 years ago, whilst we are living in the UK. And we got our family in Ghana to register the marriage, and which they did and got us a marriage certificate at the time. We only realized just now that the certificate shows that my father was one of the signatories, even though my father was dead at the time of the marriage. How do I go about correcting this? I need it for migration application. Lawyer, ready now? Sempa say obi akoye aware customary marriage wo fie na busunya gina mu ama no busunya so mu gina mu no mo sensan ye de ne papa adin ahye so se wosan bi papa eso awu obisa se ede na obetimi ya afa we hu simple
na then a papa no ebe sign it. So what that means is say the marriage certificate is fraudulent. That is what I would say. Because I can't mean who I'll be able to advise on that. Then a papa never sign it. What that means is say the marriage certificate is fraudulent.
Wow. And to say what by any day. To say like what by a day.
And only a 7.
I didn't know what they are called to marry, and yes, I feel what they're calling a castle about correcting.
And any obey any say of Phyllis there was a mistake on the marriage certificate now, which obviously it will be a deliberate false document. Okay, this will not be saying a deliberate because papa ni before it's the only I can obey Jina so sign no him so papa no sign. Probably what they can do is say they can divorce and remarry. They can divorce and remarry. However, some type of documents now, also the certificate anymore, your credibility is at stake.
Wow.
Crucial.
And in same period of 4 was sempa na wuti no mamifa numbers into jama says so person ko hu Fortwell Solicitors for ewo omo office ame pacho wa na ebi ankomo bi upene Nicodemus Lia mesro wa abomodin akọ omo office na ekohu omo na omo ntimi mboa office line no 0203 325 7030 one when this way who night shift no ubeti ase eti pacho frɛ Fortwell Solicitors omo office line no 0203 325 7030 and obetimi a contact omususu mobile number 078 333 444 078 333 444 ubusam say triple ne dey me say sisu bi mama say 078 333 44411 number ne ye de keke ntino bomodi ase obe contact Fortwell for na omo etimi aboa ewo sa ekwan no eso na messages ni bi o ha mentimi enread na every way no so na then no you be say Fortwell Solicitors proud of your team and hard work to the whole nation and society. Free consultation alone made you number one. God bless you all. Internet is already and come for partner.
That's it.
Gladys, I don't know. Gladys is you are gorgeous. I don't know. Me who says lawyer Patrick, when I am gorgeous.
Maybe Obama Junior goes. I
don't know. Lawyer Daniel, good morning. Lawyer pick up the class away or say now we church and near Memuno. Oka say nipa ne kofa Obama na Obana ba. Omo hwe ne circumstances say bi o abofra bi e wo ha say ne say abofra ne yare ntie bi a ontimi nya adwuma kesi reach 18,600 no or whatever na nipa na okwa kofa na ba no ba say onu na eba be boa ama omo etimi ahwe bi a abofra no ne ade no opeso ohun say nipa no so be checking the medical record and who say o ye fit and say amana ba na say just start no de omo nhwe
The only medical year when it comes to Appendix FM, no, TB.
Okay.
That is the only medical year
other
take into consideration. Yeah, only TB tests and on where.
Okay. Yo, Busia, not as okay, Brenna, or just 2 minutes to go now. Majai Eddie Ama a yellow ya pick says a bibi or how best idea or tip big a crop or the Maya na lawyer if I am Remuna Afayan sorry a UBD. So lawyer, my minyama says a bibi or hona went to me and can up a sort of sauce when I say be up a say Oba will be a bibi for Fronisus tray and Sanya sorry, a pachoa.
May that say. This exceptional circumstance, and ya domo sukoka krayama etiefo ehun ane afefo ehun certain circumstance be a bit me abwa amanka the normal requirements I wasn't satisfied 20 months satisfied. We a general advice and a yadema in Kofo. Okay. What people need to understand is a specific circumstance no will prevail always. If you are circumstance, no, it will even be exceptional. Fortwell Solicitors, send you be a baby a dance, no. If you are seeing na baby a yakuna, first 15 to 30 minutes consultation there, a free mouth. Yeah, try see if making sure that people will come to us. No matter come much there. Quite so I was say a boawa, a bebow. Say a idea was say a point to specific direction be a bit in my boa moenya near was a unya yadibemau. You will see a man at Tifonia have 4 extended say a exceptional circumstance. So exceptionality of circumstance a individual. Many circumstance might not pertain to all circumstance. Therefore, no, you need to come near monkomo. So that a be a not circumstance we all cry now crowd for say, oh, enya dia me qualifier. Nkoma ye di muno, if you can now qualify. Financial requirement, make us as American. Financial requirement are a young kofokona na omu doing say, I was semi-satisfied, semi-satisfied. Obi okrana, there is a type of benefits. Okay? Government sika awoji. Benefit public fund awarding, and look right me exempted from the financial requirement. It's one of me tell. Therefore, no, so when didn't come up and I say one man with specific circumstance known to lawyer, on to me and advice you, but obviously the moment financial requirement and yet in Chinese English test and yet in Chinese and you may be a honor with specific circumstances, a bit me aboard. They said, you know, for your office number, Brandy and didn't come on. You didn't come on every be or honor, a beb wow. Bibi ni on swa, a beb chero quina, or faso, so that Emre Pemunum, yet me a application at the amount.
Nina, lawyer Piki, I can, and I bet that a year, Nana, they say Nidina escape me say, oh, you're very, very, very good, and oh, you're active war. A platform so nana ye ajman ye nana ajman da bia no ye ba or share dwumadie na or encouraging crofo so say omo enhye sa pepepe na ye say ye no unue ye ade a ye se de ofuduapa no e na ye pia no na ososo wo no because ye free wuntwa hwe nti de obetimi aya ne say wo like na wo share ama obi foforo so etimi atibi nti wo ba pe wutie na ye odana na wa click wa wo like ne so Umane twede kakra na why steady so at ase na afi watimi abomodin ya no press share ne so no wa share ama obi foforo so etimi atibi na aye ne fefe enti mesrewa ye de asida kese de bema obi bia se da ne da ye ba wogie ofe so na wo hwedwumedie na wo tie dwumedie na wo like na wo share so my nyame nhra wo sa kwan ne so me de aye Fortwell phone number se tudwa e de ama obi se wentimi a bomodin ya se obetro ato wafre wo mo akwa ko hu wo mo very nice place a wo kwa wo feel comfortable mo ne obedi nkomo ebiebie niema to mbo ase atie wo kwa nkotwa ntro ho kanokro bia na omuntimi mu a ewo esa kwan ne so ntino Fortwell Solicitors me pacho mo office line no 0203 325 7030 0203 325 7030 and I say mobile free lawyer PK was 078 333 444 11 078 333 444 11 and kaya akwasi obi nyumpa 333 444 nti no me pa cho bomodi aso be frɛ ɛyɛ Fortwell for lawyer PK ɛne ɛyɛ lawyer Daniel ne other lawyers a wɔ Fortwell hɔ nyina mesrɛ frɛ wɔ mo na ɔmo ntimi ɛmboa wo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ saa kwan no so nyame ensure pa lawyer ɛbɛda mo asese da ne da mo ba na yɛ di dwumadie ɛbrɛ ɛyɛ yɛ ntiefo ne yɛhwɛfo nyame yɛ adoma na wɔtwe sɛ na yɛ bɛba ne yasa aba beso bi thank you so much nti edu besia na yaka say have a lovely weekend. I think say gorgeous ne ye watch say see be man ne ho ofe ne man ne gorgeous.
Oh yes, sure. Remember they do handsome.
Na be dia ono ne ho ofe bro so no net. Gorgeous ne beautiful.
Yeah, that I say.
Thank you so much lawyer PK. Nti edu besia na ya to us another time.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, ebusia ya do besia say nyame ensure pa say uti edwumadie. On like ya ko like on share ya ko share na yes sorry so e wa ha say ya me sorry see na te say I Pa Thomas ono ana me di eja okwan ai obra ene na musa but ye be bo no say de odi be ma ye bia
obra de me adrojiro menenemu obra de me adrojiro
This is GN Radio UK.
Yo, kind of why you want in race approach my moha. Ya sweaty. Yenya emrenimfo a wen akwada wo emrenimo a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfo ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emrenimu akukudrofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu ene adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mpo ne se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call